Welcome to the Getting Started with Loftware Cloud Essentials video. We'll walk you through Loftware Cloud Essentials and help you set up your system step by step. After your purchase, you'll receive an activation email. Open it and click Activate Account. Then, sign in using your Microsoft or Google account to process. Once signed in, Control Center opens. This web application is the central hub for all users. Admins use it to manage the system. Everyone else uses it for document storage and audit history. Let's walk through a quick overview. The dashboard shows recent events and shortcuts to common actions, giving you a quick overview of your labeling system. From the dashboard, you can access the Documents page, which serves as your central storage for label files, configurations, images, and more. You can organize folders your way and control visibility through role-based access. Document storage keeps your labeling assets organized and accessible in one place. It functions like a typical file system but offers powerful extras built just for labeling. You can track revision history, preview, and compare labels. The built-in approval workflow helps you to review and approve documents. Document storage keeps your labeling assets organized and accessible in one place. Once your label files are organized and approved, you can put them into action with web printing. In applications, you manage web apps by sharing label templates with internal users or external partners, like suppliers or any business collaborators. Web printing supports consistent label printing from any location. By using the next pages, you can manage and monitor your labeling system. On the Printers page, you can monitor your printer license usage. The History and Analytics pages will help you review and analyze audit history. The last two pages are designed for administrators to manage users, assign access roles, and configure system-wide settings. Now, let's stop at the Users page. This is where you can invite your coworkers to join Loftware Cloud Essentials. To invite a new user, click the Invite User button. Fill in the new user's details. Assign an access role. Then click Invite. Invited users will receive an email invitation and can follow the steps shown in this video to get started. To unlock the full functionality of the system, you need to install the Loftware Cloud desktop applications on as many computers as you plan to use. These applications let you design labels and automate printing directly from your desktop. To install desktop apps on your computer, open Control Center Dashboard, download the installer, and follow the setup wizard. Here's what each desktop app is for. Desktop Designer is used to create label templates. It also helps build custom solutions that make data handling and printing easier and more efficient. While we are talking about label design, did you know you can design labels directly in the browser? Web Designer, built into Control Center, lets you quickly create and edit templates. Loftware Print is made for print operators, making it simple to choose and print the correct label. Automation is a powerful tool that connects label printing with your business systems or devices, so you don't have to print manually. Label printing integration has never been easier. Once installed, all desktop apps connect to Control Center, your hub for documents, print history, and key features. Together, they form Loftware Cloud Essentials, that is built for speed, accuracy, and control. You've now successfully set up Loftware Cloud Essentials on your computer. You're all set to start using it. To continue learning about Loftware Cloud Essentials, ask to access the Loftware Academy for in-depth courses. For more information, contact your partner or visit our website and help pages. Thanks for watching.